Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good, thanks. What about you?
I'm doing well. What class are you in?
I'm in 10th grade. You?
I'm in 12th. How's school going?
It's going great, but busy.
I get that. What's your favorite subject?
I love English. What about you?
I'm all about math.
Math's cool, but tricky.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah. I love reading.
Nice. I play cricket.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm not good at sports.
What books do you read?
Mostly mysteries and fantasy.
I like those too.
They're so exciting.
So, what's your dream job?
I want to be a teacher.
That's a solid goal.
Thanks. What do you want to be?
I'm thinking engineer.
Nice, that's pretty cool.
You into sports?
Not really, I'm more of a bookworm.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't. What about you?
I play the guitar.
That's awesome.
Thanks. Do you like cooking?
I'm not great at it.
So, who's in your family?
My parents and a little sister.
Nice. I have an elder brother.
That's cool. What does he do?
He's in college studying engineering.
Wow, must be inspiring.
Where would you love to visit?
I want to see the mountains.
Do you travel much?
Not too often, but I love it.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend's name is Olivia.
Who's your favorite teacher?
Miss Sarah, our English teacher. Who's yours?
Mr. Thomas, our physics teacher.
That's great.
So, what's your plan for the weekend?
I'm planning to study and relax.
Same here. I'll study, then chill with friends.
Sounds good, enjoy your weekend.
Do you prefer studying at night or during the day?
I like studying at night. It's quiet.
I study better in the morning.
Mornings are good for focus.
Do you have a study partner?
No, I mostly study alone.
Do you use social media?
Yeah. I use Instagram and Snapchat.
What's your favorite season?
I love winter, it's cozy.
I like summer because of the holidays.
Summer's nice too, but winter is my favorite.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah. I have a dog.
I have a cat.
Aw. Cats are so cute.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I like walking in the park.
I enjoy cycling around the neighborhood.
That sounds fun, I should try it.
Do you like to swim?
Not really, I'm not a great swimmer.
I love swimming in summer.
That's awesome.
Are you a morning person?
Not really, I'm more of a night owl.
What's your dream destination?
I want to visit Paris.
Do you prefer the beach or mountains?
I prefer the mountains. How about you?
I like the beach more. Do you like playing video games?
Not really, but I play occasionally.
Do you prefer coffee or juice?
I prefer juice. What about you?
I love coffee more. Do you like spicy food?
Not much, but sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I love spicy food. What's your go-to snack?
Chips and chocolate.
Are you into photography?
A little. I love nature shots.
Do you keep a diary or journal?
Yeah. I write occasionally.
That's nice. I don't, but I should try.
It's relaxing, you'll like it.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Not much, but I want to start. What about you?
I love motivational podcasts.
Do you read newspapers?
Not daily, but I check sports updates. You?
I prefer reading online articles.
How do you go home?
I walk. My house is nearby.
That's nice. I take the bus.
It was nice talking to you.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Well, have a great day.
You too. See you around.
Bye. Take care.